Hey, YouTube. I'm trying to drive and record. It's your girl, Simone. I just wanted to show you all. I don't know if I ever mentioned it. I started a small business selling Brazilian hair, Brazilian Jerry Curly, Brazilian straight, as well as body weave and deep weave. I'm also in the process of actually making units and selling the units as well instead of just the bundles. But check me out. It's www.monaestouch.com, and I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so y'all can go ahead and check me out. As you can see, I'm actually wearing the Brazilian straight. Excuse me. And what I did was I went on and made me a closure wig, and I wanted to actually do the wig because I was looking for something that I didn't have to leave any hair out, trying to transition from actually perm hair to natural hair. So if I do make the decision to go ahead and do the big chop, I would still have um beautiful protective hairstyle. Yeah, so like I mentioned, trying to get in so you can see me, it is the Brazilian straight. And it's the Brazilian straight with a, I want to say 16-inch closure. Pretty nice. I've been wearing it about a week or so, and I actually sewed clips into it as well as an elastic band. So I take it off daily for my convenience, and I think it's pretty nice. I started off with a middle part, and being that it's not glued down, I can actually rotate it to my preference, whether it's the side part or middle. I haven't dyed it any, and I actually used 16-inch, 18, no, correction, 18-inch, two 20s, and a 22, and it's pretty long. It reaches basically all the way to my butt if I had to stand up in the back area. So I just wanted to come to you guys and show you all what I've been working on. And as I mentioned, Monaestouch.com, where I have my bundles listed, and also I will be selling 3D mink lashes. That is in the work, as well as making units to sell for sale, and it's gonna be frontal units as well as lace closure units. Um, my first one probably would be Jerry Curly or something of that nature to start selling. So I just wanted to enlighten you all on what I was doing. Small business, trying to succeed as a black woman, doing my own thing. So yeah, see you all soon. Stay tuned.